Viewers, it's Mustang Lover 1970, and I wanted to tell you all we got the 67 Mustang GT running today. And sadly enough, I made a video of replacing the distributor and the fuel pump, but one of those files, I think they actually both got lost. And so I apologize for that because I was really looking forward to uploading those two videos. But the footage you're about to see is us starting the Mustang for the first time since, I think it was August of 1978, so that's been sitting for 39 years, almost 26 years before I was born. So yeah, enjoy the footage, and I really appreciate you all for watching and tuning in. Bye. Here, just getting ready for this little guy to start.
And it's not focusing. Right.
Well, it's ready, just listen.
So it started.
Yeah.
It's starting, but it keeps stalling out. That's the thing.
Hang on. I think what I got to do is hold the gas pedal and turn the starter motor off. Because the whole time I'm holding the starter. That's why the starter's moving so fast. So, like, let me try this. That's the engine doing. That was just the engine. You saw that? Alright, let's just let it sit for a little bit.
Whoa, it's smoke coming out. Oh, it stalled.
Oh, it stalled. That was so good.
Well, look at all this smoke coming out, bro.
Don't look.
Dude, chill out, man. See the smoke back there? It's really quiet.